Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to ElectroPixels. In today's video, we are going to repair this 32-inch iBell LED TV that comes with a backlight on but no picture problem. During inspection, we found that the TV display gate signals are internally shorted. When tapping on the TV display, you can notice that the white light flashes, which confirms the issue. As discussed earlier, these types of complaints are mainly caused by internal shorting of gate signals inside the LCD glass panel. This shorting can occur either on the right side or the left side of the panel. If the short is present on only one side, we can attempt a temporary repair method. This TV uses a single COF Samsung panel with an SM4186 Dc IC. Due to the internal gate signal short inside the glass panel, this DC-DC IC goes into protection mode and fails to generate essential panel voltages such as VGH and VGL. To remove the SM4186 DC-DC IC from protection mode, we must eliminate the panel internal shorting. Here you can see the gate signals from the right side and left side of the panel respectively. First, we will cut the right side gate signals using a sharp cutting blade. So, let's start the repair. Friends, as you can see, we have successfully cut the right side gate signals. Now, if the picture appears correctly, no further action is required. If the picture does not appear, we must rejoin all the cut tracks and then perform the same procedure on the opposite side. If both side gate signals are shorted, then panel replacement is the only solution. Now, after cutting the right side gate signals, let's power on the TV and check the display. As you can see, the problem still remains. So now, we will rejoin the right side gate signals and proceed to cut the left side gate signals. Friends, the left side gate signals are now cut. Let's turn on the TV and check the picture again. Great! The picture has appeared and the TV is now working normally. Warning: important note. This is only a temporary solution. The permanent solution is panel replacement, and there is no guarantee how long the display will function using this method. The lifespan completely depends on user luck and panel condition. That's it for today's repair video. Hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.